You have seen that the chain is an instrument used for direct measurement. Given the nature of the chaining job and the conditions in which it is carried out, there is always a chance that errors might occur during chaining. So what are the errors in chaining that you should be aware of? Let us find out the answer by going through this module, Errors in Chaining. Welcome. After completing this module, you will be able to list the types of errors in chaining. First, let us look at errors that arise from the chain itself. Incorrect length of the chain and sag in the chain are the examples of such errors. When you use a chain of incorrect length, you will get incorrect measurements. Now, let us look at how sag in the chain causes errors. Sag is a slight increase in the length of the chain that occurs due to wear and tear or when the chain is stretched a lot. So remember, two errors that arise from the chain itself are incorrect length and sag in chain. Now, let us look at the errors that occur due to incorrect handling or ranging. Not holding the chain handle correctly at the ranging rod is an error of incorrect handling. When the chain is laid down loose and not held straight on the ground, it is another error of incorrect handling. Not keeping the chain horizontal whenever required is errors due to bad ranging occur when the chain is laid out of line. Measurements taken with bad ranging will be greater than the actual lengths. So bear in mind that inconsistent holding and laying the chain down loose are the handling errors. Errors due to bad ranging occur when the chain is laid out of line. Errors in chaining also occur due to mistakes made by the surveyor. Let us take a look at what they are. Improper placement of arrows is an error that is made often. To avoid this mistake, the correct spot on the ground must be marked with an X. Sometimes, the chain length is not counted correctly. This mistake can be avoided by keeping a correct and careful count. A mistake can also happen when a tally at 15 meters is read as 5 meters. This mistake can be avoided by looking at the central tally. Finally, the surveyor might make the mistake of entering mixed-up numbers in the field book. This mistake can be avoided by calling out the numbers loudly and having them repeated while noting them.
1 meter,
1,
2 meters,
2 meters,
3 meter,
3,
So remember, improper placement of arrows, miscounting, misreading, and erroneous booking are the mistakes that cause errors in chaining. In this module, you have learned to list the errors in chaining. The three kinds of errors in chaining are errors arising from the chain, handling and ranging errors, and mistakes. Incorrect length and sag, misplacing the chain end, Laying the chain down loose and laying the chain out of line are the common errors in chaining. Errors also occur due to mistakes such as wrongly placed arrows, miscounting, misreading, etc.